Hello. I have a 13-foot Scamp and I have no outdoor storage except for this sewer tube. And I need some outdoor storage. Now, my camper came with 2 propane tanks. I only need one. So, this is what we did. We took one propane tank out. We put a 5-gallon Home Depot bucket in. My brother cut part of the bracket off. He put his own notch in that would perfectly fit the Home Depot bucket. Put a board under the Home Depot bucket that is fit in that metal piece, and then he screwed it in so it's not going to move. And so I can reach in here, I can put my wheel chucks in, and I can put my sewer hose in if I want to carry an extra sewer hose. It's a very tight fit. We did change to an electric jack, and it does go right up against it. And then in the back, it is right up against the battery case. So you will have to make adjustments for that.